Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today tutorial is related to PSRI index. PSRI is a plant sensencence reflectance index. In it we measure the healthy vegetation. Its value range from -1 to +1, and common range for green vegetation is -0.1 to 0.2. So we already make for our area, but now in this video I am showing you how can we make it. The blue area showing the less vegetation and water body, we are very less green cover, and with a dark green color showing the very healthy vegetation as compared to other one, and this light yellow color showing is a moderate value of it. So for the good result you need to first your raster image has an atmospheric correction, which I also post on my YouTube channel, so you will get it from there. So for it you need the formula is that I am going to showing you. So here is our formula for the PSRI index formula, or here is the formula is that red band minus band green and divided by the near infrared band NIR. So according to the Landsat 5, the red band is D. Here we represent the band of satellite raster data, band 3 minus band 2 bracket close and the slash divided near infrared. Near infrared is a band 4. So let's we apply it. We already have data for it as in the raster. We simply select it, the band 4, the band 3 and the band 2. Okay. You can select it. Yes, we selected this. Yes, then it will take time. Now it's image come. Now we apply here the raster calculator for measuring the PSRI index. So it's little take time, it's okay. So as you can see it's open now. Okay, so our tool is open. Now we apply the formula as I am showing you right in this way. As you can see this formula I applied the band 3 minus band 2, band 3 minus band 2 bracket close, and we divide the band 4 simple and give its the name as number 1. Okay, so it's well done. It will take time, so then it will done and we will get the image as file it escape it. So viewers, as you can see we get our result. So now I just change here the color rank, and the green color will be showing like that. But when I select it has a standard deviation for the stretch type, so it will be in a good way of showing, as you can see. So as you can see the water body is in the blue color, while the vegetation where is a high, so it is in that color with a high color. So this area have a less vegetation, less healthy vegetation, so that's why it's will showing with a less green color. So I hope this tutorial will help you in estimating the healthy vegetation and cropland. Thanks for watching.